To make a YouTube video on Canva, let's come over to the Canva video document. Depending on the format you're posting on YouTube, whether short or long form video, you can select that from here. But I want to post a long form video. From here, I'm going to go into my Elements tab and I want to come down to video and I want to start to search the kind of video I want to make. But if you have your own video, you can click on the upload tab to upload your video files by clicking the upload files here. I'm going to go back into the elements and I'm going to come down to the trending videos here and click on see all. I'm just going to pick this video and drop it into my timeline. I have my first clip now and I want to go in and keep selecting. If I want to select clips that look exactly like this, I can click these three dots. So you're going to click on see more like this and you see all these videos that resemble themselves. If I hover around this, you can see what the video is doing and I'm just going to drop it like so. I'm going to tap on this first video and start to trim if I want to cut out parts of my video. And I also click on this and I want to speed it up, make it faster. You can also add overlays to your videos. We want to add laughing emoji, or we can come into graphics and filter those that are animated, or we can scroll to find an emoji that suits our vibe. I sort of like this busting out emoji and I'm going to spread it out and pull it to the side. I'm just going to spread this out like so. And I can also duplicate this and place it also. Now we have the two emojis playing. Once you're happy with your video design, let's take our playhead to the beginning and I want to pull my timeline up and I'll come over to audio and I'm going to search an audio I want to use from here. You can search for funny audios, but if you want to add your own voice, you can record your voiceover from here by clicking record voiceover and you can talk over your video and say what it is you want to record. If we go back into add audio here and let me close out this record voiceover pin. You can also generate AI voice from here. Type in your script here and use the AI voices here to generate your own. You can select the language you want to generate. And if I say English Australia, you can choose from the free option to generate your audio from. I'm going to click on generate voice and you see our first audio has dropped here. But let's still go back into the audio. Let's go to our elements library and close this out and come down to audio here. And you also see that you can search audios that you can use depending on what works for you. Let's click this one from Pixabay. You see we've added our audio to our design. From this place, you can also edit your audio by clicking on the audio and you see that you can slip it in. If you click on slip, you can now drag this audio and select the parts of the audio you want to use in your video. You can also regulate the audio volume of your video and you can also beat sync it to suit your video. If you do beat sync, you will see it will have markers on the audio and it syncs properly with our video. You can preview your video by using this playhead here and you can also preview from here. Once you like how your video looks like, you want to click on share here and click on the download to download your video into your device. And I like to download in the highest quality. Another thing you can do, if you go back on the download here, you can also publish straight to YouTube directly.